The Xiaomi Mi 10 is an Android flagship smartphone and it runs on Android 10 based MIUI 11, and it also sports a pretty large 6.67-inch AMOLED display that looks pretty good and vibrant. And the best way to enjoy such a good display is by enabling gesture navigation. We're going to show you just how. Now, to enable gesture navigation, head to Settings, scroll down to Additional Settings, and you're going to find an option called Full Screen Display, which is the number 4th in the options. Enter the full screen display and tap on Full Screen Gestures to enable gesture support in the Mi 10. You're going to be given a quick tour of how the gestures work. Swipe up and hold to go to the Recent menu. Just swipe up to go to the home screen and swipe left or right from the edge to go back. So that was a quick tutorial on how to enable gesture navigation on the Xiaomi Mi 10. Thanks for watching.